Yep, I'm Ben Polasic with Miller Brothers Construction out of Archibald, Ohio. We are a regional heavy highway civil contractor. We will have anywhere from 500 to 800 employees in our peak season. We've grown over the years, and we've used computer guidance software for at least 18 years. Biggest values we get out of the CGC software are its flexibility and customizability. We're able to customize it to run the business the way we'd like to run our business. It's also allowed us to integrate many of our other products. We're not tied to having to use everything in CGC. We can use some other products for certain things where we can get best of breed and yet bring all that data back into CGC, as well as take the data out of CGC that we need to do our integrations. To us, it's really important to host our own data in our own data center. We have a primary data center and a backup data center and run redundant systems, so we have the infrastructure to support it, and we would prefer to do that with a system such as accounting that is a mission critical system. We're right there, we can touch it, we can feel it, we have our own data. CGC also offers cloud if that is something the company would like. For us, the enterprise is what fits, but we know we always have the option to switch if we'd like to. We've learned to use a lot of the functionality within the system. We are a heavy highway and civil contractor, so a lot of our work is quantity-based. CGC excels at handling quantity-based contracts. From a heavy highway standpoint, it's done really well for us, but yet it fits even some of our offshoot businesses, such as our stone quarry with plant sales and order processing. We have a rebar and steel erection company that we are able to use the system for as well. So it's been very flexible for us in using it in all the divisions we need. The core apps that we run all of our business on CGC. We handle our own payroll internally, handle HR. Some of the things that really impressed us were when the government changed the ACA regulations, as well as a lot of state regulations for the state of Ohio and other states that we work in. CGC has been very responsive to providing the interfaces we needed to be able to comply with those and to submit the electronic data we have to regulatory agencies. It's allowed us to do that all internally versus having to go outside to a third party, which has saved us cost and also kept our data very accurate. We've been very impressed with CGC's support. We have a strong relationship with them. We've gotten to know many of the people in support, and they've been very responsive to our needs with the software. Overall, the software is very reliable. The core works really well. We see a lot of new features coming out, and we've been very impressed with the support that we're getting as we implement those. In the heavy highway industry, if you're looking for an ERP solution, I would definitely recommend taking a strong look at computer guidance. They've done a good job supporting us. It's a very reliable, solid system with flexibility, customizable, and in a market that is competitive, where we can really work with the vendor and get a system that we need at a reasonable implementation time frame.